Hi, welcome to our botanic space. This is Papa P for Plant and Prosperity. How are you doing? Everything is fine. Welcome to our little botanic garden. Today we shall be talking to you about a plant called Eremomaster speciosa, a hinting in the Bakosi language, Ajatu in the Mbo language, Deux côtés in French, two side leaf in Pidgin English, and un côté rouge, un côté vert in many other languages. So this is a plant. This plant is found in the family of Acanthaceae. It is a plant that is characterized by one red side that is under leaf and one green side that is the part that faces the sun. It has some flowers that are linked by a petiole, and its stems are generally quadrangular, that is four sides. It has what we call, it may be pubescent, that it may have some hair, as well as it has some nuts or notes, and these notes denote particular segments. Now, what are some of the uses of this plant? Let me take you to a better plant. This plant has hematopoietic activity, that is, it stimulates the process of erythropoiesis, that is, stimulates blood production. This plant, because it has erythropoietin or its precursors, this plant also has some antimicrobial properties in the sense that it inhibits some fungal growth, that is, yeast cells, and some bacterial growth, especially of the gastrointestinal system. This plant also has some anti-inflammatory properties because it is used for pains, and because of its antispasmodic effect, this plant has an application in labor or controlling labor pain. It also is important in controlling or regulating menses. How can we use this plant? For a child that has, for instance, what we call GTGT or rouge face, which is generally caused by fungi, yeast cells, we can get some of these leaves, we wash them about 4 or 5, we dry them on a pot that may be on a flame, we grind them with masopo, we mix it with some salt and red oil or palm black kernel oil, and we make the child to lick 2 or 3 fingers 2 to 3 times a day. Now, how is it used in the treatment of blood shortage? One secret of this plant is that this plant, although we see it like this, when we mix it well, the plant will become black. And when we add particular substances, it becomes red. Now we can get about 3 of such, what you see. We squeeze or we grind, then we press lemon to it, add some water, and you can drink 2 to 3 times a day. That will go a long way to resolving some of the gastrointestinal problems we may have, for instance, diarrhea, that may be as a result of indigestion, or may go a long way to resolve some abdominal cramps.